Think all vegetables are gentle on your stomach? Think again. While veggies are often hailed as the cornerstone of a healthy diet, not all of them play nice with your digestive system. For many people, certain vegetables can actually cause discomfort, bloating, or even stomach pain. Whether you're someone with a sensitive stomach or you just want to feel your best after every meal, it's important to know which vegetables might be causing you trouble and why. Let's start with some of the most common culprits: cruciferous vegetables. This group includes broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage. These veggies are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. But they also contain a type of carbohydrate called raffinose, which the human body has a hard time breaking down. When these carbs reach your large intestine, they're fermented by bacteria, leading to gas and bloating. For most people, this is just a harmless inconvenience. But if you already have a sensitive stomach or a condition like irritable bowel syndrome, the effects can be much more uncomfortable. That feeling of tightness or pressure in your belly after a big salad? The cruciferous veggies might be to blame. Next, let's talk about nightshade vegetables, specifically tomatoes, eggplants, and bell peppers. These colorful foods contain a natural compound called solanine. For most people, solanine isn't a problem, but for others, especially those with sensitive digestive tracts, solanine can be irritating. Some people report experiencing stomach pain, cramping, or changes in bowel habits after eating nightshades. The irritation is usually mild, but if you notice that your stomach feels upset after eating foods like tomatoes or peppers, solanine could be a factor worth considering. Another group of vegetables that can aggravate the stomach are spicy peppers and raw onions. Spicy foods, especially those containing capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their heat, can trigger acid reflux or heartburn. This is particularly true for people with conditions like gastritis or gastroesophageal reflux disease. Raw onions, on the other hand, contain fructans, a type of carbohydrate that can be tough to digest. When these reach the gut, they can cause bloating, gas, and even stomach cramps. If you frequently experience burning in your chest or a sour taste in your mouth after eating spicy or raw foods, your stomach may be sending you a clear signal. So, what should you eat if you have a sensitive stomach? Don't worry, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious options that are much easier to digest. Cooked carrots, pumpkin, and sweet potatoes are gentler on the digestive system and less likely to cause gas or irritation. These vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals, and their natural sweetness can be comforting on an upset stomach. Cooking your vegetables, rather than eating them raw, also makes them easier to digest by breaking down tough fibers and complex carbohydrates. Remember, everyone's digestive system is different. What bothers one person might be perfectly fine for someone else. The best approach is to listen to your gut, literally. If you notice discomfort after eating certain foods, try eliminating them for a while and see if your symptoms improve. Keep a food diary and don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional if you have ongoing stomach issues. Small changes to your diet can make a big difference in how you feel every day. So next time you plan your meals, choose wisely and always listen to your gut. Your stomach will thank you for it. And if you want to keep learning about how food affects your health, make sure to follow along for more tips and facts that matter to your well-being.